Many people, including our parents, often call the stock market gambling or jua. But is it really? Let's simplify it. At its core, the stock market is just a business. When you buy a share, you are not just betting on a price, you are become a partial owner of that company. Think of it like this: a shop creates a home, but a home doesn't create a shop. Investing in a business, example shares, is more productive than just keeping gold in a locker. It only becomes gambling when you have zero knowledge. If you trade based on tips without knowing why, it's a bet. But if you use technical or fundamental analysis, it's a skill. Major institutions, banks, and insurance companies all invest in the stock market to grow their money. If they do it, why should not you? To start, you just need a demat account and the willingness to learn. Don't gamble, invest in business.